Unraveling short answers in simple past tense. Regular verbs made easy. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of English language learning. Specifically, we're focusing on the simple past tense of regular verbs. We'll be talking about an often overlooked topic, short answers. These are incredibly useful in everyday conversations, so let's get started. Regular verbs are those that follow a fixed pattern when forming their past tense and past participle. In English, we typically add ed to the end of the base verb. For example, work becomes worked, and jump becomes jumped. Short answers are succinct responses in conversations, making dialogue smooth and natural. In English, when responding to a yes, no question in the past tense, we use did or didn't plus the subject. The verb isn't necessary because the question already provides that information. Here's an example. Question: did you work yesterday? Short answer: yes, I did. Notice how we don't say, yes, I worked. That's because did already carries the past tense implication. Now, let's practice with some more examples. 1. Question: did they play football last weekend? 2. Short answer: no, they didn't. 3. Question: did she jump on the trampoline? 4. Short answer: yes, she did. 5. Question: did we finish our homework? 6. Short answer: yes, we did. Remember, the key to forming short answers is to use did or didn't, followed by the subject. No need to repeat the main verb in its past form. There you have it, folks. Short answers with regular verbs in the simple past tense aren't so tricky after all. Keep practicing these patterns and you'll master English conversations in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, practice is the key to success in language learning. We look forward to exploring more English grammar topics with you soon. Happy learning!